Hey guys, this is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to talk about how to lock cells for your Excel spreadsheet. This is a fairly easy process, so stick with me for the whole video. Now, let's get started. First, you need to select all of the cells in your spreadsheet. To do that, you just need to press Ctrl A. There we go. We have just selected all of the cells in our spreadsheet. Next, go ahead and right-click the spreadsheet and go to Format Cells. Go ahead and press Protection. Tick the checkbox for the Locked option and press OK. Now that we've done that, for the next part, we need to select the portion where we can allow others to edit. Just drag your mouse across the cells and right-click it. Go ahead and format cells. Do the same thing, but this time, in order to finalize the spreadsheet, go to Review and click on Protect Sheet. You will be asked to put a password for your spreadsheet. For now, we can just skip this part and click OK. Now that we've protected our spreadsheet, nobody can edit the parts where we locked, and they can only edit the parts where we left unlocked. For example, we can change the values here. There will be no error message anywhere once we try to change this part. But whenever we try to change the other parts, a warning would show up. And there we have it. Now, to unlock our spreadsheet, just go to the Review tab again and press Unprotect Sheet. Now, anyone can edit all of the cells in our Excel spreadsheet. And that's about it. This is how we unlock cells in Excel spreadsheet. If this video helped you in any way, please leave a like and comment on what I should do next. You can also subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell for updates on our future videos. Once again, this is Gab, signing out.